Well, this one sucks. This one sucks. I'm driving this bike, which is a 1994 Yamaha 600. A bike I've never ever ridden. In this fucking snow. And my visor is just... I can't see out of my visor. And if I open it up, the fucking ice kills me. Oh, it's fogging up. This one really sucks. It was only supposed to be raining. It wasn't supposed to be snowing. Damn, this little thing is peppy. It's really nice, really friendly. And I keep turning my head so I can see the road, so I don't just hydroplane. But it's cold. It's really cold. You gotta be smooth. I don't drive like this. My hands are frozen. This is a 94 clutch, so it's like as stiff as an old Ducati. But hey, honestly, this is a peppy little bike. It's really light and friendly, low, so it's easy to maneuver. It's a nice little bike. Top speed around 140, we've been told, which is believable. Feels like a good bike. It really does. Even in this god-awful weather. Ouch. Snow is just burning my eyes when it hits it. Oh. I can't see. It sucks. But hey, with this bike, it feels good. Thank God I know these roads, because if I didn't know these roads, I'd be terrified right now. Because really, I can't see shit. Clutchless shift it, obviously. It's actually easier than using the clutch. I'm gonna have to take this bike down the old scenic route. This is my old high school boy from way back in the day. So we're about to drive by the high school, because why the f not? That snow like legitimately hurts. Oh, these brakes are just stiff. They feel like you are gonna touch it and flip the damn thing, but they're just really tough. Wait for my boy. Okay. thing is kind of slow though, but it is a 96. Sorry, I think I said 94 earlier. 96 this bike is, so makes sense. It's not gonna, well, and plus I'm used to my R6, so that's really not fair. But it's nimble. It's real nimble. I think I'm gonna turn right by the high school. Yeah. Oh, that hurts so much. Oh, I thought that was a speed bump. Oh, there, I can see if I turn my head just like that. There's the other speed bump. Oh, first gear is something else on this bike. Yeah, first gear is like way different than the rest. I really like haven't even used this rear brake. I don't want to lock it up. If they're anything as touchy as these front brakes are, that's a disaster waiting to happen, as they say. Last thing I need to do is get hit by a car just being an idiot and not looking. Where am I parking at? Oh, I'm really warm now that I'm not moving. Where should I park it? That was f***ing miserable. That was it was so miserable. I cannot feel my fingertips. I can only feel my thumb in my left hand and like some of the fingers on my left. I'm not right.
Really?
I'm so cold. That was so bad. Oh, it's a sweet little bike, that's for sure, but the drive was absolutely miserable. I can't feel any of these fingers. I can only feel my thumb.
You wanted it, right?
Yeah, that was still better than loading that shit and unloading it.
Yeah, that's true.
Now it's over.